For question 2. Lionel got 80% of the questions correct on a spelling test. If the test had 20 questions, how many did Lionel get correct? Let's take this information, okay, and let's draw it out right here at the bottom on the screen, okay? We are told that we have 80%. He got 80% of the questions correct. Now, 80% means 80% out of 100, right? 80%. There's our fraction, right? Now, it's telling us that 20%, okay, 80%, let's see, 80% of the questions correct. If the test had 20 questions, so 20 questions is the 100%. This is going to equal something over 20. This is the number right here, boys and girls, that we're looking for, okay? Because 20% is the maximum, 20 is the maximum number of questions, okay? 100% is the maximum grade you can get. He got 80%. So that means how many questions did he get correct? All right, let's see. We take the 100 and we divide it by 5, and that gives us 20. We have to do the same to the top. 80 divided by 5 equals, if you're thinking 16, you are correct. Okay? So, going back to the question, you have to write it using words. Okay? How many did Lionel get correct? Lionel, oh, I need black, sorry. Lionel got 16 questions correct. Boys and girls, notice that I used a complete sentence. Please do the same. You can do your work just like I did anywhere in the blank areas of your page like that. It's fine, but make sure that your answer is written in a full sentence format. Please put a star next to it, and you'll notice that this is one of our key answers. Go ahead and use the same method I used to solve questions 3 and 4. Jamie spent 50% of his money on a baseball cap. So it's 50 over 100. The cap cost $15. How much money did Jamie have? So $15 is 50%. So you're looking for the denominator in this fraction. Hunter got 75% of the questions. 75 over 100 is your fraction on a music test. If he got 15 questions correct, how many questions were on the test? 15 is 75. So you're looking again for that denominator. 15 over what? This page, we continue doing the same practice on page 148. Go ahead and read the top. It talks about the amount that animal sleeps. Okay? And over here, you have the number of hours. Now you understand that a full day has 24 hours. So this is 20 over 24 hours. 19 over 24 hours. 18 out of 24, 17 out of 24. You will take those fractions, write them here, turn them, convert them into a decimal, and then write them into a percent. And that's how much of their day, the percent of the day, they sleep. Go ahead and complete this on your own, and we'll check it in class. For the questions from 6 to 9, we are supposed to turn this data that's given to us, this information, and turn it into a percent. For example, number 8. About 11 out of every 100 households in the United States has a parakeet, a little parakeet. How would you express this as a percent? Well, 11 out of 100. Remember, percent comes from the word for per every 100, per 100. So 11 out of 100, the percent has already been given to us. So we just simply write 11% of households in the United States has a parakeet. Okay, write this one down as your final key answer. Go ahead and finish questions 6, 7, 9, A, and B, and we will check them in class, discuss them in class. All right, boys and girls, have a great weekend.